up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin, and in case you're seeing me for the first time, you're absolutely welcome. I'm so glad you are here. You are at the right place where you get to learn a whole lot of things about natural hair, how to have healthy and luscious looking natural hair while having fun along the way. So today's video, as you have seen in the intro, in the thumbnail, in the title, I am going to be showing you the perfect wash and go routine for 4C natural hair. I'm going to be showing you how to make your wash and go perfect in 2020. So if you have been looking for how to perfect your wash and go skills, if you have been trying to define your 4C calls but you've not been getting it, then this video is the one for you, because I'm going to be breaking everything down for you. You are going to get it. Yeah. So if that sounds like something you might want to know more about, sounds interesting to you, then you shouldn't miss this video. You should definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is to cleanse your hair. You want to get rid of all the product buildup and also the dirt from your hair, because you do not want to do your wash and go on a dirty hair. And for me, I'm just going to be using a conditioner to cleanse my hair, because as at the time that I filmed this video, my hair was not that dirty. I had just little product buildup, and that's the reason why I use the conditioner to cleanse my hair. And this also gives me the opportunity to be able to section my hair into 4 different parts very easily, and also to detangle my hair, because you do not want to do your wash and go on a messy tangled hair. You want to do your wash and go on a very detangled and neat and clean hair.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.
Okay, so after doing all of that, after shampooing or co-washing, after detangling your hair, you want to rinse out the conditioner, you want to rinse out the shampoo in your hair, and you do not want to leave any iota of shampoo or conditioner in your hair. You don't want it to mess up your wash and go. You want to cleanse your hair very well, rinse out all the shampoo and conditioner in your hair. Yeah, so after doing that, I'm just going to tie my towel to soak up the excess water, and then now we are going to start our wash and go, working with one section at a time. The first thing I'm going to be doing, as you can see, is to moisturize my hair. I'm going to be applying a decent amount of leave-in conditioner on damp hair. The hair is not dry, the hair is damp, so you want to use a decent amount of leave-in conditioner on your damp hair. Then go ahead and also moisturize it further by using a cream. I have a detailed video on how you can properly moisturize your 4C natural hair for maximum, hydration. I have the link in the description box and also on the screen right now. So after using a leave-in conditioner and cream, I'm just going to go ahead to seal in the moisture in my hair with a decent amount of oil, and then I'm also going to detangle my hair, just to detangle further to make sure there are no knots in my hair, because 4C hair can be really funny at times. You have to detangle very well. So now that I've detangled very well, I'm just going to take my gel, my Eco Styler gel. I'm going to take a decent amount of that also, and then I'm going to coat my hair with that. Okay, so you want to make sure that you coat every strand of your hair with a gel. You do not want to leave any strand out, because it can affect your wash and go. As you can see, the curls are already popping like this, but I am not really satisfied with it. I do not want my wash and go to get puffy after a few days. I want my wash and go to last me a really long time. So that is why I'm going to be doing this now. I'm just going to be taking my fingers and then rolling the hairs little by little, just as you are seeing it. That way the curls will last really longer, instead of just leaving the curls the way it was before. You get what I'm trying to say? So you want to use your fingers to roll your hair. That way your curls will pop more, and that way your wash and go will last a long time. Yeah. Okay, so you also want to make sure that you are taking just small parts of your hair and rolling at a time. You do not want to take a chunky amount of hair and roll. That way your wash and go will not come out to be looking really nice. You want to take just small parts and roll at a time. So this is what we have after rolling this particular section, and this is what we have for the whole of the back section. And do not worry, all that white stuff you are seeing is definitely going to disappear. And then I'm just going to sleep and let it dry overnight. Okay, so guys, this is the second day. I let my wash and go dry overnight, so I slept in my satin bonnet like this, and so I'm going to take it down now and start it so that you guys can see the final outcome. Okay, yeah, so this is what we have. The curls are scattered, as you can see, and then we are going to just style it and make everything look really good now. So the first thing I want to do is to moisturize it just a little bit, because I don't want the curls to drop. I like the definition in my hair right now, and I want to keep it, but at the same time I want the curls to be bouncy. So I'm just going to use a small amount of leave-in curl, just really small, yeah. So I'm just going to rub it and pat it on my hair. I'm just going to pat it on my hair just to, you know, make it look more lively, just to refresh the curls and, you know, make it look good. Yeah, that's the word, make it look good. So I do not like the way it looks like this, the way the hairstyle looks like this. It's just everywhere, the curls are scattered. So I'm just going to arrange my curls now so you guys can see the final outcome. Yeah, so the first thing I would like to do is to bring this side to the back a little bit and then make the curls here fall on my forehead, something like that. So let me quickly do that now.
So I'm just using my bobby pins, by the way. I'm using small bobby pins to hold the hair to the back, just as you are seeing it right now. Yeah. So yeah.
I think I'm okay with how the back looks now. Let me just pin this place. If you want to lay your edges, you can go ahead and do that. I really do not fancy laying my edges. I do it sometimes, but right now I'm not going to lay my edges because I like the way my edges look right now. It's giving me this vibe that I locked my hair. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. It's giving me that vibe like I locked my hair, like the dreadlocks vibe. Yeah, that is what this hairstyle is giving. That's the vibe I'm getting from this hairstyle, and I really like it. So I can either leave my hair like this at the front, this side like this, or I can go ahead and also raise the curls a little bit so it doesn't fall on my forehead too much. So I can just do like this, and then yeah, just raise the curls a little bit. And yeah, as long as you use the right gel, the right leave-in conditioner, the right product, make sure your leave-in conditioner and your gel work well together. As long as your hair is really moisturized before you start applying gel to it, then your wash and go will come out perfectly. And as long as you use the right technique, like what I mean by right technique is that as long as you roll your hair very well, like you roll your hair very well, you make sure that your hair rolls very well, then you're going to get the perfect wash and go. Okay, so if you guys have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll definitely respond to them. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.